Hi everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you a Base44 tutorial. If you've got a sick app idea and you want to turn it into reality, this walkthrough is for you. I'll be showing you how you can turn a plain English prompt into a working application, wire data, tweak the UI, sanity check the logic, and publish without touching a local dev setup. I'll also be going over the plan limits of Base44, how the credits work, and a few gotchas so you don't get stuck or burn through usage by accident. If you want to test out Base44 for free, go ahead and navigate to the link in the description below this video and follow along as you watch. When you go through the link and create your account, you will get started with either one of these plans that you see on the screen. There is a completely free plan that you can get started with that gives you up to 25 message credits per month and 100 integration credits just to test things out. If you are serious about building your application and you want to take it to the next level, then the starter plan starts at an affordable $20 per month when billed annually, and it gives you 100 message credits per month and 2000 integration credits per month. You can actually build unlimited number of applications even with the starter plan, and you get in-app code edits. So go ahead and go through all of these plans, pick the one that best suits you in terms of pricing and plan limits. And then you will move on to open the Base44 application and start your new app. In AI chat, you want to write the prompt like you would brief a junior dev. Who is your application for, the main screens, the core actions, and how data should flow in it. For example, you could build a simple productivity application just to get started with it. You can also build more complex applications with better prompting. But if you're just testing things out with the free credits, then you can open up a simple productivity application. For example, a productivity app that has inbox for ideas, quick tagging, and an AI pass that converts messy notes into actionable tasks. A tip I would give you is to keep it concrete and straightforward. When the first version of your application appears, you don't want to rush in to fix everything. I recommend clicking around like here, just see the preview, see what already works, what doesn't work with it, and then switch to discuss mode in the chat when you want to change the logic or the structure of your application. The discussion tab over there is built to reason about changes before applying them, which reduces any misclicks or weird side effects. It will still use message credits, but it tends to save you the rework. Some good early tweaks that you can add to your app is that you can rename sections and buttons so they read like your product. Ask the AI to enforce simple constraints, for example, no empty tasks, basic validation. Have it scaffold a quick onboarding flow, so first time tooltips or getting started checklist, and so on. Next up, you want to open the design to adjust your colors, type, spacing, and components. If the default palette looks generic, you want to set brand colors that are specific to you and apply them globally first. That one step makes every screen feel more intentional. You can also ask AI chat to tighten any spacing or standardize the headings, maybe swap this list for cards, and it will push those changes across the application. Now, if you are particular about layout, you can combine both. You do the big strokes in design and then use chat to propagate patterns consistently. You can get as creative as you want with the button sizes, input styles, empty state patterns, and that gets you 90% of the polish with minimal passes. Next up, we have data, as Base44 organizes app data in tables, so you can think of them like spreadsheets. Define entities like ideas, tasks, or tags, and then link them with references so actions feel more instantaneous. For example, you convert idea into task, and that keeps the relationship intact. You can add fields like text, number, date or time, file, reference, and object from the UI, or just ask the AI directly to extend the schema in discuss mode. Some helpful moves could be to seed real-ish data so your lists and charts are not empty. Ask AI to add mock data, it won't delete existing records. You can also set read or write correctly per table to avoid accidental edits in shared apps. And finally, if you are migrating from a spreadsheet or want a quick backup, then you can import or export your CSV. Keep in mind though that a fresh limit from the docs of maximum 5,000 items per data pull, but if you need more, you can load in chunks so your app stays responsive. Once you have built the foundation, you can use the preview button to run through the actual flow, add an idea, convert to a task, tag it, and verify the data tables update correctly. Try obvious failure paths like empty inputs, long text, duplicate names, and if something feels off, you can easily switch back to discuss mode and explain the behavior that you expect. Personally, I found it faster than hunting the settings manually. And finally, when you are satisfied, you have two ways to ship fast. You can either share a private link for quick stakeholder feedback or publish to make it public. and then later on connect a custom domain for a real URL. Base44 hosts and deploys for you. Domain setup is a standard CNAME flow in the settings. If you're rolling out to a team or customers, lock down access in app access and security first. Basic auth visibility, SSO for higher tiers so you don't expose admin views. And that's in short the full loop from prompting all the way to publishing with Base44. This tool's chat-first workflow keeps you moving fast, but the big wins come from giving clear requirements, iterating in discuss mode, and being intentional about where you spend integration credits. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you have found it to be helpful or informative to watch, let us know by giving us a thumbs up. If you would like to get started with Base44 for free, go ahead and navigate to the link in the description below this video for your convenience. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make relating to this one.